Hello guys! This time I will explain the difference between family and relatives. The terms family and relatives are related but have different meanings. Family usually refers to the people who live together in a household and are closely connected by blood or law, such as parents and children. This group is often called the nuclear family. On the other hand, relatives include a broader group of people who are connected by blood or marriage, such as cousins, uncles, aunts, and grandparents, even if they do not live together. Additionally, there is a difference between nuclear family and an extended family. A nuclear family consists only of parents and their children, while an extended family includes other relatives living together or nearby, such as grandparents or uncles. Thank you for listening.